Listen to the animal sound and guess correctly. Let's see how many you can guess. Are you ready?
It's a cow. It's a dog. It's a cat. It's a lion. It's an elephant. It's a chicken. It's a horse.
Awesome! You know animal sounds really well. See you in the next video! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun animal games and adventures.